So then we recommended the client, if you are unsure that tomorrow, let us assume you are not there. Children are not attained majority. Mother being up, father being the class 1 legal heir. Then that person will get hold of your properties for the benefit of children till the time they attain 18 years. So which means, suppose husband is having custody, wife is not having custody, husband dies, property goes on to the children, it's written in the will, but children being minor cannot operate on the properties, they cannot transact the property, they cannot sell the property, purchase any property, because they are minor. In the eyes of law, they are incompetent to enter into any sort of contract. Then in that case, mother can always come in and say, I am the natural guardian, let me operate the properties, let me handle their bank accounts, let me see if the property needs to be sold in order to meet their expenses. If that needs to be done, I'll do it on their behalf. And then there's always an issue of trust between the spouses already taken divorce. So then in that case, what needs to be done? Then we can always form a trust and tell that this trust will get hold of all the properties for the benefit of the children. Trustee can be somebody, beneficiary can be the children, and then the trust will operate all the properties for the children until they attain 18 years. And once they attain 18 years, then the children become the sole and absolute owner of the property. That's also one way to go about it.